To make air fried tostones, begin by peeling your green plantains. Peeling green plantains can be tricky as the skin is a bit tough and not as easy as the yellow plantains to remove. Using a paring knife, cut off the ends just like so. Make a shallow slit lengthwise along one of the ridges of the plantain. Be careful not to cut too deep into the flesh. Making tostones in the air fryer is not as easy as you may think. Stick around and I'll show you how it's done. It is a little bit tricky, but definitely doable. Work your way around the plantain, peeling off the skin completely. Using your fingers or a knife, lift the edge of the skin. Hey, if there is a recipe that you want to see, please let me know in the comment box down below and I'll do my best to make it for you. Then cut the plantains into 1-inch pieces. Oh, and one more thing, get the written recipe at kelvinskitchen.com. Transfer the plantain pieces to a mixing bowl and add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. The avocado oil is to keep them nice and moist as the air fryer tends to dry them out. Toast them in the oil until evenly coated. Now set your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, that is 177 degrees Celsius. Set the time to 10 minutes and let it preheat. And once the air fryer has been preheated, transfer the plantain pieces to the basket in a single layer. Air fry at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, get the plantains out the air fry basket. Now, using a tostonera, go ahead and mash your plantains into tostones just like so. And if you don't have a tostonera, I got you. Let me show you how. If you don't have a tostonera, do it old school. Use a drinking glass and mash the plantains. Actually, this is how I grew up making tostones. There was no tostonera back in the days. We were poor. After you mash the tostones, they usually tend to stick, so I use a paring knife to remove them. With tostones, after you mash them, you have to be gentle with them so they don't break and fall apart. Once all the plantain pieces have been mashed and turned into tostones, transfer back into the mixing bowl. Coat the tostones with another 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. We want these tostones to be crispy, moist and delicious. Nobody wants dried tostones, ew. Give them a quick toss in the oil and make sure not to break them. Be careful. Now bring the tostones back into the air fryer basket in a single layer. Air fry them once again at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 to 7 minutes, depending on how crispy you like your tostones. And halfway through the cooking time, flip the tostones one last time so they cook evenly. Once your tostones have been double fried, transfer to a plate and sprinkle a little bit of salt. I enjoy my tostones with a side of ketchup, but you could use whatever sauce you like. Serve your tostones and eat them right away, as they're not as good when they get cold. Tostones are kind of like French fries. Nobody wants cold French fries. And there you have it, air fryer tostones. Enjoy, buen provecho. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.
Yeah.